Right, today I will explain you how to make best pancakes, in my opinion. So to start with, we're going with 300 grams of flour, 300 ml of semi-skimmed milk, 2 eggs. We need to combine all of them together so the butter is nice and smooth. We're adding about 10 grams of sugar, pinch of salt, a little vanilla, which gives us extra flavor. We need to cut the vanilla in half, open wide, and take our seeds out. Add it into it. And for that, my special ingredient, it will be orange zest, which gives a nice zingy flavor into the pancake inside. So we put all of them together in the one mixing bowl. The best way is using the hand blender to mix them all the ingredients together. If you haven't got hand blender, you can use the hand whisk, but it's a little bit harder. So we're using easy way. When the whole batter is nicely combined together, we pass through the sieve, so there's no any lumps or anything like it. The secret for it is you should do the batter the day before and needs to rest 24 hours in the fridge. That's the best way to do it. We have got nice and hot pan, a touch of oil, not too much, we don't want too greasy. So oil is nice and hot. We're pouring our not too much butter. The first one's always tested to see how much you need to pour it. A little bit hotter. And you're cooking on the one side till it's nice golden brown. Then you flip it to the other side. So our first tester is ready. In my opinion, they best served with a little bit of a berry compote. That's my personal favourite, and that's perfect pancakes.